Are we spending $30 on jelly beans today? Yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Must be long clip. Awesome place, really nice Thousand Trails property. We were there for about a week, just over a week, which is a long time for us. But now we're heading to our very first boondocking experience. So everybody's excited about that, mostly me. And it's going to be at a winery through Harvest Host. So we're excited to try that out for the first time, and if it works out and we like it, there are probably more of those in the future for us. So yeah, onward to, I think we're going to, is it Fairfield? No, Napa area. Clarksburg. Yes. Clarksburg, which is in the Napa region, I think. I don't know. So we're gonna go check it out, and I think this is gonna be a better way to do some wine tasting. And have the RV parked right at the winery. So that's pretty cool. That was awesome. We are at Julietta Winery, which is outside of Sacramento.
In Clarksburg.
Clarksburg, and a must-see place. This is our first time boondocking. We've probably already said that about 6 times. But we're absolutely loving this place, and we've set up our rig right outside of the tasting area. So the kids are in the rig, we've got our walkie-talkie, we both had a nice tasting experience, and we bought a couple bottles of wine. So yep. Julietta Winery, got to check it out. All right, we're at the Jelly Belly factory, and the kids are super excited. We're actually meeting some friends here, and it's in Fairfield, just outside of Sacramento, and we're gonna go take the tour. All right, we're about to go on the tour. The kids are super excited, and we had to wear these silly hats, but I won't fit on my hat, so I'm not wearing it. What do you say? We already got our first sample for free, and now we've got all the different jelly beans here. They have the series of these monitors, and everybody's moving from one monitor to the next to see what's going on. What does it smell like?
Butter popcorn.
You don't like it?
No.
What was the world's first savory flavored?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Okay, you go ahead and smell. Tell me what you smell.
Miscalibration for the bottle.
Smell coconut?
If you could only have one Jelly Belly flavor, what would it be?
Maybe mango.
You could only have one Jelly Belly flavor for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Oh, that's easy. The Jelly Belly Sour Collection.
The collection, that's cheating. If you could only have one Jelly Belly flavor, what would it be?
I don't know. Maybe crushed pineapple?
Nicole, did you have fun? There's a sample bar, so I tried the Tabasco. It's very hot. I recommend getting something else like mint chocolate chip. Oh, that's good.
The crushed pineapple is awesome.
Pink grapefruit. It's good. Cut to the Tabasco. Gotta try the Tabasco though. Very good. Is that a must-do?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna say it is very much a must-do.
Must-do.
Why else would I wear a goofy-looking hat?
The Tabasco.
Was that a little spicy?
Yeah.
Your face turned red.
Yeah.
It was pretty funny. His face turned red.
But the pink grapefruit's very good.
Yep.
And the mint chocolate chip's very good. What'd you get?
I tried a mint chocolate chip. That was good. Pomegranate's really good.
Definitely got to do. Where are we? We're Stockton? No.
Wild blackberry. Fairfield.
Fairfield, California, outside of Sacramento, in between
I have to go show
Sacramento.
my check-in and get a free treat.
Yeah, you check in and you get a free treat. Plus, you get, just for going on the tour, you get bags of jelly beans. So that's pretty cool. Kids are loving it, and they're gonna walk away with a bunch of stuff, I can tell. They've been saving up their own money, and they're gonna purchase everything. Behind me is the belly flops, they call them, and it's normally what, $10 for 2 pounds? How does this work? Normally,
So,
like over there.
no. Over there, it's $10 for 1 pound.
Yes.
Right?
Oh, and this is $10 for 2 pounds?
Yes, so this is $10 a pound for regular pretty Jelly Bellies.
Okay.
Or you can buy a 2-pound bag of belly flops
For $10.
For $10. Or you can get 5 bags for $30.
I feel
of
like
belly flops.
act now and you get the Ginsu knives.
Oh, that's cute. Go put it back.
Shipping and act now and you get 5 bags for $30. Are we spending $30 on jelly beans today? Yes. Yes.
I don't know.
Wow. So yeah, so apparently these are the like misshapen ones or whatever, and we're buying 5 bags. So you got to spend $30 to get 5 bags.
Oh, wow. Wow.
That's a lot of jelly bellies. And your mom's doing it. Good deal, I guess, right?
Yeah.
You're going quantity over quality, but this is, I mean, I see marshmallow in here, I see apricot.
And if Danielle and I buy one with our own money, you guys won't eat any of them?
Correct.
So you'll buy your own.
Correct.
The kids mix.
Nice. What's in that?
It has that.
Delicious. Ashley, what'd you get?
I got 1 bag of belly flops.
Yeah, those are the best deal, huh?
Yeah.
You get the most jelly bean for your buck. Mommy, what'd you get?
5 bags of belly flops.
500 pounds of
And you
jelly
got a
beans.
box of the Sunkissed Gems.
Yeah, well, those are just because I had to. What'd you get? Can I see what you got?
Ariel.
Ariel.
Ariel jelly beans. Can you show me? Oh, ooh, delicious. Orange and
Tutti
pink.
fruity and orange sherbet and peach and blueberry and watermelon. Yeah, those are all good. What a crime.
Bubble gum. There's some
And bubble gum in there.
Oh, that's nasty.
Ready, set, go. Did any of you get lime? Lime!
Must be lawn clip.
I have been waiting to buy jelly beans. And I got to get a really good deal on them.
That was pretty cool.
That was awesome.
I think we all had a really good time.
We had a great time.
Everybody have a good time?
Yep.
Yes.
Awesome. We're leaving Ukiah. We found a very interesting little stopover RV park that is the training ground for Seabiscuit, or the breeding.
The breeding ground. No, it's the ranch that Mr. Howard bought, and it was Seabiscuit's home.
Ah,
It's where he trained. It's where he lived.
We're heading up to the Redwood National Forest in very, very much northwest corner of California. This will be our last stop in California. We're going to be there for a few days and then off to Oregon. We've been here for like a month. Have we spent
At least 5 weeks. I think we decided March 27th, and it's May. That's one of the deer.
It's not the white deer.
That's not the
it's just a
white deer,
regular
but that's a deer.
There's not a ton to do in Ukiah. There's a lot of wineries. But we have family in the area, so we got to have dinner with them last night, and that was a lot of fun. It's really neat to do this and go see family that's kind of all over the place. Unfortunately, we had to skip Lassen. We wanted to do Mount Lassen, but it's covered in snow right now. So that's not going to happen. Just bad timing on our part.
And they had like record-breaking snowfall this year.
Right.
It was kind of crazy.
Same with Crater Lake in Oregon. We're not going to be able to do that because of snow. But I'm sure we'll figure out. The coast of Oregon is supposed to be beautiful, so that's kind of what we're planning on doing. So, yeah. All right, off to Redwood National Forest. Woo!
So, Bob,
Yes.
what did we just do?
We just pulled into a gas station that had no place for us. Was not designed for a 40-foot fifth wheel RV, that's for sure. But we did it.
Yep, we had to shimmy it in there. Back it up, go forward, back it up, I don't know, 10, 15 times.
At least.
It was
Back to back into the road. And then a armored truck kind of blocked traffic for us, which is cool.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
And we did it.
But we're on our way from Ukiah up to Trinidad, and there's no fuel
On the 101.
that we can find for like a truck stop. So we had about a half a tank, so we decided to fill up at a normal gas station, and that was interesting.
Yeah, the other option was to wait 110 miles till Eureka, and at that point we would have been on fumes. I don't know if we would have made it, because it's very mountainous, windy, up and down. Pretty sure
I don't think we would have made it.
so.
But now we have a full tank of gas, and we have more experience on. I feel like I can parallel park this thing now.
It was pretty fun. I'm out there on the phone running around behind him going, okay, back it up, 10 feet, okay, hold, and I'm running to the front and see the front right side of the corner of the truck, because that's really deceptive on how close you can get to things up there, and bringing them in, and it was definite teamwork, and it worked, and we did it.
By the way, north of Ukiah This is all there is.
This is all there is. Just gas up. Gas up.
Yeah. Well, in a normal vehicle, you don't have to worry about it, but
Yeah.
we don't have, we get 230 miles between fuel ups, so we were pretty close to half a tank. We had about 100 miles till we ran out of fuel. So,
Yeah.
anyways, yeah, very pretty.